Welcome everyone to Vested Interest. This is Shane back again for the last stock pick of the day video for the week. Wrapping up the week. Thursday is the last day I typically do these videos. You're not going to be buying anything on the weekend, so not really a point in covering anything on Friday. I do push out my weekly update on Sunday, so if you haven't done so already, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you're notified whenever I post that video and whenever I post future videos. Really appreciate everyone who has done so. The overall channel continues to grow because of people like you, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button, drop a comment down below, and like the videos. That also helps with the YouTube algorithms and helps a small YouTube channel like me spread the message. In this particular channel, we cover dividend growth investing on our way to financial freedom, financial independence through passive income generated by the dividend growth portfolio, the dividends paid out by the stocks within the portfolio. So if you're into that kind of thing, again, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you're notified for future videos. Let's jump right into the video now. We are going to cover Verizon, another communications company. Yesterday we covered AT&T, and Verizon was down a little bit today, so I figured it was a good time to cover them as well. So as you can see here, Verizon, I pulled this information from www.verizon.com. So if you want to know more about them, go ahead and check out their homepage. Verizon Communication was created on June 30th, 2000 by Bell Atlantic Corp and GTE Corp in one of the largest mergers in U.S. business history. GTE and Bell Atlantic evolved and grew through decades of mergers, acquisitions, and divestitures. Today, Verizon is a global communications technology company delivering the promise of the digital world to millions of customers every day. So again, another communications company. They do sell, phones. They have an internet service, obviously your wireless and phone service as well. I believe they do have their hand in the internet business as well. So overall, communications is their cup of tea. As you can see here, on July 7th, close of business, Verizon Communications, ticker VZ, is in the communications sector. They closed at $50.71, down 0.31% on the day. Looks like they're flat in the after hours. 52-week range as low as $45.55, as high as $56.85. So floating right there in the middle between the 52-week low and the 52-week high. They have a market cap of $212.964 billion, a beta of 0.38, so very much less volatile than the overall market. A PE ratio of 9.875%, which is pretty low. A forward dividend of $2.56 on the year. That is paid out quarterly, so divide by 4. That will tell you what your quarterly payments will be. And it has a nice dividend yield of 4.97%. Ex-dividend date was today. So even if you bought it today, you wouldn't receive the ex-dividend. You have to buy before the day before the ex-dividend date to actually receive the dividend. So if you bought now, you would not receive, or tomorrow, you would not receive the next dividend. You would have to wait a full quarter. The one-year target estimate, at least according to Yahoo Finance, I am not affiliated with Yahoo Finance, just where I like to pull some information. Their one-year target is $58.45, so it does speak to some price appreciation and stock price. Now, according to 39 other stock analysts from stockanalysis.com, again, not affiliated, just where I like to pull some information, they say it is a buy, but again, another one right on the, and I would actually say this is more on the edge of the hold than it is over on the buy. But another one they're calling a buy, but right on the edge. To me, I think it is a hold, but they do have a low of $44.44. That would be a 12% decline, and if it hit that, I would look to add there. That would be a buy for me. Again, right now I am holding. They have an average estimate of $59.50, which is about what Yahoo Finance had, so that would be a 17.33% increase in stock price. And if it happened to hit the high, $74.55, that would be a 47.01% price appreciation. And again, if Verizon happened to hit 74.55, I may actually look to trim and pull profits out of it myself. But Verizon Communication is one in my portfolio. I have about 130 shares of this particular stock. Again, one I'm not adding. They do call it a buy. I would look for it to pull back more towards this $44 low. And if it hit around or hit the 52-week low, maybe I'd look to add it there. At least that's where I would add it. Well, these are quick hitters. We just want to try to see where we can bring you value in these crazy markets. Up one day, a lot of green in my portfolio today, was some red. Pretty nice market overall today, but still very volatile. In my opinion, we are still in the downtrend. We are still in a bear market, and we have a ways to go until we really shake out where the Fed is going to end with interest rates, how the housing market is going to do, if we're in recession or not, which I believe we've been in recession since 2019. But we'll see if we hit 2 consecutive quarters of negative GDP, which is their definition, the Fed's definition. And the last one that really is a driver of where the market will be is inflation. Inflation really needs to get under control. We need to be down under the 8.5% and see it steadily declining month over month, quarter over quarter, back towards the 2% range, which is the Fed's established goal or baseline. Again, we always have inflation. It's just a matter of how much inflation we have. Average year is 2%. So try to increase your pay every year by more than 3% so that you're keeping up and beating the markets, beating inflation, and not losing buying power over time. With that said, I always appreciate you stopping by. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to show me some love. Hit that thumbs up, ring the notification bell, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think about Verizon. Let me know what you think about the videos, the overall channel. Constructive criticism is welcome as well. Just keep it clean. I do personally read and respond to the comments. I'm always interested to read your questions, opinions, suggestions for future topics. This is Shane signing off, wishing peace and prosperity to you and yours. And remember, financial security comes to those who take a vested interest. Hey, we'll see you in the next one, guys. Hope you had a great week. And again, don't forget to stop back by on Sunday. I will do my update for my purchases for the week. Stock portfolio update always come out on Sunday. I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing in this presentation should be considered financial advice. I'm only sharing my opinion and investing journey for educational and entertainment purposes. Investing involves risk. You can lose money and should never invest in any amount not comfortable losing. Always do your own research based on your situation, circumstances, and select criteria, or seek the advice and counsel of a certified financial advisor.